April 9th, 2018. End of the day market update. So I traded S&P futures today. We had a step, it looked like a parabolic move on the 5-minute time frame here. It just looked like a very steep move, but it felt more like a step-by-step slow staircase move, more than it did more than a rocket kind of move that it looks like to be. And there's definitely almost like a parabola here. And eventually we got the break, which is something that I eventually was looking for after I saw us, hit this high here, and I threw on this this Fibonacci retracement on here on this whole move altogether to kind of get a look for what possible bounce areas to look for. And here we had a good one, which I played into, but overall we had some decent levels to play off of. This was my start here, playing off this base breakout. I think I should have waited for better reasons to sell. Probably would have captured more of the move and would have been scratching less and scalping less as well. Would have gotten more of the meat of the move, and then also sticking to my plan on shorting this parabola. Had I done that, could have ended really well for me, but sadly I kept on playing in and out, and that ended up costing me overall. Let's jump to 6E. Look for a short here into the euro. Thought we were having a double top formation. Never did happen. Ended up just closing into the day sideways. Should definitely wait for confirmation on the short. Look for a down day instead of trying to look for the start of a down day. That's definitely to be something that I should be aware of for next time. Crude got some beginning action at the beginning before market open, into the close. Nothing much. Sideways movement. Very little to play off of. And then GC. Got a nice breakout move here. Saw this building, but did nothing about it. Just because of risk reward, couldn't determine where was a good risk reward, even though I do believe I had an opportunity here, and I did think of it, but did not play it. And then eventually did want to play into momentum here, but we did not get any. And tried even quick up couple scalps here, but nothing really much. Definitely missed out on the meat of the move into this day. So definitely, probably come in a little bit more prepared into tomorrow. Really going over trades, less scalping, looking for bigger move trades, determining good price areas to play off of on a bigger time frame, rather than focusing on the little moves here throughout the day, and also waiting for confirmation of plays. If we're gonna pretty much don't short into a uptrend or don't buy into a downtrend kind of thing. So yeah, those are the things I'm gonna be working on going forward into tomorrow and into the week. Overall futures, S&P futures are up overnight, pretty much like a U-turn. We are in this primary area. So we got this primary area, this boxed up area. So we'll be looking to see for a move going into tomorrow, which way we decide to go. Already looking pretty bullish into tomorrow. We already have some levels here to play off of, and it's really interesting how even overnight, the overnight futures played really well into this whole Fibonacci retracement that we had going on here. So that's also really interesting. So really cool to see that play out, and really gives a good um, validation to these levels here. So that's all. That'll be all for today, and we'll see how we do tomorrow.